I'm here to give you a bit of an insight into what we do with our SuperPro Bushings. I've got a range of SuperPro Bushings here showing all the different design features that we have in each of our bushings. Let's start with the design of a bush. We design our bushes to suit the application. We don't design them to be easy to fit. That's not our primary concern. They need to actually be easy to fit, but they need to work in the application. A lot of our control arm, lateral arm and trailing arm bushes are cotton reel style, simply because they work better in the car, because if you've got the control arm or the lateral arm sitting through the bush in this particular area, if it's a two-piece bush, the whole thing can move around, and the whole idea of a bushing is to stabilize the movement in all of the arms on the car. So we've got some inbuilt features that are pretty cool. We've got our tangential grooves that help retain the grease where the bushing comes up against a metal surface. All of our bushes have knurling on the inside. This again helps with grease retention. The whole idea of a bushing, especially a SuperPro bushing, is to be a free pivoting bearing. So just about every bush that we do, you'll find some kind of knurling down the inside. We also have bullet grooves in the center part of a lot of our cotton reels, and also on our shackle style bushes. This allows the bushing to be retained in the arm, but still gives it that little bit of flexibility. It's also on our shackle bushes, we do that so on a rolled leaf spring, not every eye is perfectly round, so the tangential grooves allow the material to move around and fit perfectly into a not quite circular space. A lot of our steel work in our bushes is all zinc coated, so it helps prevent rust. Our adjustable bushes have offset tubes, so that allows you to adjust the bushing to correct camber, caster and all those kind of things. Lastly, our latest bush is our dual duro bush. We're now starting to make a variety of bushes with a central part that's in a softer duro and an outer part that in a harder duro, and this allows when the bush is not loaded, it's a fairly soft, pliable material that doesn't transmit any noise, vibration and harshness. And then when load comes on the bush, we use the outer snubber ring to push up against the actual softer material that stops excessive movement in the bushing. We're utilizing this now. You'll start to see that come through in a lot of static mount bushes, diff bushes, subframe bushes and that kind of stuff, where a fully poly bush, like something like this, would be way too harsh and it actually transmit noise and vibration. So a lot of our bushings are starting to come out with this dual duro approach. All of our stuff is designed here in Brisbane for each application. We've got our R&D department right here at Maruka. We've got our manufacturing facility at Coopers Plains. Everything's controlled. We do all of our fit ups here in-house so that we make sure that our fitting instructions are right, our bushes fit right, and they work the way we expect them to.